It's that time. It's time for the third swag bag. Welcome. Enjoy the products that I'm about to tell you about because they're awesome. Everyone's freaking out about the healing cream. So we were like, hey, Chuda, everyone's obsessed with you. What else do you got? So I tried the exfoliating cleanser, which has these little silica beads that actually disintegrate as you wash your skin, and it takes off the layer of dead skin and dirt. So you know you're not done until the dead skin and dirt has totally broken down the silica bead. So I fell in love with this. I keep it in my shower and it gets super messy and I love it. And Chuda, we're so grateful that you came back in our bag again. Thank you, Chuda! Okay, the next is the Beautyblender Micro Mini. So you guys, I love a beauty blender, but sometimes getting under the eye area or in different areas that are like small are a little bit harder. So what you do is you wet it, you squeeze it out, and then you can get into like the crevices, the important parts of your, face. And you can really get your concealer. Like I always say, use this, wet it. Oh, sorry, there's something in my nose. People complain about like the concealer getting built up in the eye area. This is how you want to put it on. You want to like just bounce it into the area. Bounce, 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 bounce. And then I love to keep these in my purse because throughout the day, if something does move, it's really easy to just go in and voila. And I love minis. Minis are so cute. Thank you so much, Beautyblender. Okay, so next, by the way, these are all female brands so far. The next is able, meaning you should be able to use this. This is the Cateye 101. So you can use this as a guide to guide you of where you should put your cat eye. You can also put a little bit of powder on this, or you could put liner on this, and you could use it as a stamp as well. And in it, there is liner. So you just go like this and trace along, perfect line, and then close it. I mean, guys, does it get, I just did it like in 2 seconds. So easy. This is amazing. I will let you know it's a little hard to open. You have to use your muscles, and a little hard to close, but that's just because they don't want the formula to dry out. I mean, what? Next we have one of my favorite brush lines in all of the land, Jenny Patinkin, who also wrote a book, who also is just like awesome and does videos every day, and you should follow her if you're not following her already. So Jenny Patinkin was nice enough to give us 3 different types of brushes: the eye definer brush, the smoke brush, and the eyeshadow basic. So right here I have the eye definer, and this is a great brush for blending, like so. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Thank you, Jenny Patinkin. Next is a new line, a new product. It's a clean line called Tower 28. I am friends with the woman who started this. Her name is Amy Lou. And this is a daily rescue face spray, but you can actually put it anywhere on your body. It's called SOS, Save Our Skin. And I actually sprayed it on Babe when she had eczema, and it went away. Another client of mine, I won't name names, used it and had like an itchy rash, and it went away. So this is like a little bit of a miracle spray. I'm like really into it. It's 100% natural. It's clinically tested. It's obviously great for sensitive skin, and it's a new product. And we have the travel version. So you can carry it with you wherever you go, and you can spray it to do other things, like just like kind of hydrate your skin again or hydrate your makeup. Yay to SOS Tower 28. Next we have Kosas. I don't know if you've heard of this brand. It's amazing. It's one of those new clean brands that just came out. Another woman-run brand. They all are today. Oh my God, I love it. This is Tropic Equinox, and it's color and light cream. But what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you like a nice dewy highlight. It's gonna make your skin super breathable, super pretty, and you can see how pretty this color is, and it's very natural. And you can build it if you want a little bit more. So they're calling this like a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and you can use it however you want. The highlighter has like very finely milled sheen to it, and the bronzer slash blush also is pretty sheen. So you can really use it. You could use it to create shape if you want. And I love this line so much, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Wow, there's a lot of like natural brands in this bag. I didn't even mean to, but see how everything's moving in that direction. So I don't know if you've heard about Juice Beauty. It's an organic solution. I fell in love with these liquid lips. They sent them to me a long time ago and I fell in love with them. So these are plant-derived pigments. First of all, you should know that. This is the color Blythe, which I'm like slightly obsessed with. How pretty is that? It feels like a lip balm. It looks like a lip gloss, but it stays on like a lip stain. So it's like this 3-in-1 magic formula. It feels really good. You also know that it's on your lips, so you won't be ingesting anything weird. And I just love it. Thank you, Juice Beauty. Okay, so now we do something a little off kilter from like skincare and makeup. We're doing a scent. And I know it's really hard to pick a scent for you. And this is a scent that to me is like unisex because my husband and I both use it. So I thought that would be good. And if you don't like it, you can pass it on to somebody else. But I love it. It's from Clean. They bring fragrances that offer peace of mind with ingredients and formulas that are putting safety first. So let me just read they're sustainable, eco-responsible, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and phthalate-free. So that's a great thing. This is the gorgeous, I mean, this bottle is ridiculous. It's white fig and bourbon. This is one of my faves. And like I said, I use it with my husband. I actually spray it on my sheets as well. A little goes a really long way. I have a really keen sense of smell. So for me, it's hard to choose fragrances that I really like. That's Obama. Hi, Barack. But I love this brand because everything has like a very clean scent to the fragrance, and there's a couple that I have, and I just love it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Thanks, Clean. So there you have it. That is my swag bag. Now I can go back to regular programming, like my Invisalign, because you know my teeth were starting to move, and that's crazy. You know, get in on it, people. All the information is below. Go to jamiemakeup.com, sign up to be in my crew, and then you could be getting a swag bag. What are you waiting for, people? Thanks for joining us.